This little example, it's a small gearbox for a bicycle hand controller. It's a bit damaged, so ideal job for the micro. What we want is a clean mesh. So once it's mounted on your micro, you might need to use the vise, blue tack, various methods. The important thing is that when you go into Artec Studio and choose scan, that you adjust the brightness so that you don't really got any red points. Red points won't be scanned. Here we chose high resolution, and we've asked for small complex model. So when the scanning starts, it probably takes it 5 or 6 seconds per scan, and the first piece appears. It then orientates itself and it makes the next scan, and it goes through this predefined set that you can customize if you want to, or you can use many other presets that are built in. This is seeing it actually scanning on the head. Moves around, adjusts the fringe pattern, and captures the 3D points. So as it progresses through, depending on the routine that you chose, and there's quite a lot of routines, and as I said, there's many that you can just customize. You can do one frame, you could do 3 or 4, add to the frames as you go along if you want to. It's very straightforward to use. Once you've got your part, you may need to reorientate it. So here, just trying to show, using the small video viewer, relocating it. Once you've got the part, just make sure it's not going to fall out. And then what you do is you proceed to adjust your brightness again. So here the pins have gone a little bit red, but we're not too worried about the pins. So adjust it back, because the pins we're not really interested in capturing. And off we go, and then start scanning again. So the sequence is the same as it was before, so just sped this up a little bit just to give a little bit of illustration of the scans moving around and being built up. Obviously you can stop at any time you like, but once you've got them, you would align your scans. So we actually did 3 views and use the alignment function, and then what we need to do is perform global registration followed by sharp fusion. You may need to fill small holes, you may not need the holes filled, so the choice is yours, and this is the normal types of procedures in Artec Studio. The fusion takes a little while to do, probably 2 or 3 minutes, so what we've done is sped that up, and you get a nice little model at the end, but it's got debris, so you'd use the small object filter. We said keep everything except for the remove everything except for the largest part, and now you've got a beautiful part that you can export in STL for printing or use as a reference for reverse engineering. Thanks for looking.